Thank you. Hi, I'm Peter Grffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word. Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Brian, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word, oh, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child. The bird is the word. Lady on the toilet. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird.
Again, I love repetition.
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird, oh, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Surfin Bird. Bird. Don't you know about the bird? And everybody knows that the bird is a word. The bird is a word. The bird's a word. The bird is a word. The bird is a word. The bird is a word. The bird's a word. The bird is a word. The bird's a word. Well, the bird is a word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it again!
Papa uma mau mau, 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 uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma. Lois, I'm going to ask you this only once. Do you or do you not know about the bird? Because everybody's heard that the bird is the word. What, you haven't heard?
Fuck!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird.